Hi, good morning from a very grey Saturday. I am currently in my gym clothes because I'm supposed to be going to gym. But I was like, I want to make a video today because I am going to Amsterdam and I think that's a very beautiful city. And today the weather is very grey, so it's going to depict it the way it's supposed to be depicted with the beautiful grey weather. And yeah, it's going to be a fun day. So I thought, why not take you along with me? It is a grey day, like I said before, but we've still made it to gym and also to Plus. I come here too often, sometimes just for one thing or for like a gazillion things, but I think I spend much more than I need to on groceries just because I always go to Plus on my way back home from gym. Yeah, I think I need to stop doing that all the time. Anyways, it's time to get onto the train to Amsterdam. It's around an hour from my house and we are here. It is a sunny day out of a sudden. It started off grey, but now it's sunny. That's just Dutch weather in a nutshell. Even though I've come here so many times, these houses, I can never get over them. I absolutely love them. Remember the first time we came to Amsterdam, Rishika?
Yes, I remember. It was in first year, no?
Yeah.
We came after the ABN AMRO event.
Yeah, we went to an event and then we came for the first time in 2020.
it?
Yeah, I'm recording it now. In 2022. Yeah. It's crazy.
And March.
I-
Oh, it's already March now.
March.
March.
Also, the thing is, that day because we were students, so we didn't have any data. We didn't have much data. My data for the month had ended, and Rishika is really bad at charging her phone. So her phone had zero battery, and we were both
I
very
had infinite data but zero battery.
yeah. So we were both just stranded in Amsterdam. It was fun. The camera quality is nice. I'm gonna zoom into your face.
I will film you.
It's very cold.
It's very cold.
Yes, and we were going to have iced coffee, for which I've done a lot of great footage and I've zoomed into it. But when the time came and the lady asked us what we're having, we said we're gonna have hot cappuccino.
Yeah, because suddenly the sun disappeared. It just went behind that building and then it became...
So our plans have changed. We are very flexible people. We had decided to do something and now we're doing something else.
Yes.
It's
How do you feel coming back to Amsterdam for the 100th time?
I love Amsterdam.
You love Amsterdam or Paris?
No, that's what I was to say. I love Amsterdam, but I love Paris a bit more. Maybe because it's farther away and I don't go as often. And what is near to you, you start to not see its beauty.
You know, there's a saying in Telugu called Durapu Kondalu Nunupu, which means the mountains which are farther away often look quite smoother.
Yeah.
But then once you, smoother, Nunupu.
Okay, yeah. So that's the thing about Paris. But I do love the vibe of Paris. Amsterdam for me, it's too many tourists. So at least where we are right now in the central area of Amsterdam, you have to walk through like a lot of tourists to be able to come to the good areas. But hopefully we'll go to those areas today to be away from them. But right now we are sitting at Dam Square, literally at Dam Square.
This is Dam Square's left part,
Right part. This is actually Dam.
Yeah,
Whatever
this is
it
Dam.
Yeah, it's the main building, and then Madame Tussauds is behind us right now. So we are at the main place. Yeah. I feel very awkward because you're looking at me with the camera. This is Rishika's most favorite drink. It's a cup of coffee.
Now
It's good coffee. It's like the coffee we had in Den Haag that day at Arcade. Where the
Ah,
coffee
the-
was
the-
very
the
nice.
coffee's-
Yeah,
yeah.
it's like this. Yeah. Of course, I would like the sweetness, but I can enjoy this taste as well. No,
yeah, but then you'll have to hold it. We cannot. She's zooming in into my face. So यहाँ रख ले. Again, she's zooming in. Zooming in again.
So we take the same picture every year and we're recreating it.
Amsterdam. Just say that again.
Amsterdam की गलियों में हम चलते हैं.
You cut your face.
I cut my what?
No, don't zoom. Zoom directly into your face.
I'll zoom into your face.
No, don't zoom.
But the zooming is what is nice. I love troubling Rishika. Also, see this Japanese winkle. Oh my god. Oh, see the matcha, guys. See the matcha stuff. Oh wow, I want all of this.
Algi wants to live in 1860 Japanese time.
In an Amsterdam Dutch house. Yeah.
With Japanese crockery
With Japanese crockery.
and Indian.
With Indian food, Japanese crockery. We're confused. You can call us confused or you can call us multicultural. Yeah?
Diversified.
Diversified. Yeah. Can't get ATOS. Shika's buying hair color. She's gonna do it by herself.
I'm gonna try it by myself.
I don't
and
think-
make a disaster.
I don't think you can do it by yourself. Also, we're
I
in
did it
ATOS.
already, but then it was a disaster. Isn't she?
I'm zooming into Rishika's. We're
What is this obsession with zooming? I never know.